In this video, we are going to see about the soil testing. The proportions of the various ingredients of soil can be determined by soil testing. During soil testing, the soil is examined for color, texture, and the proportion of organic matter in it. Soil is tested to find out if there is a deficiency of any ingredients and to decide what measures should be taken to remove the deficiency. Okay. Now, what is this soil testing? Students, you must have seen that whenever we fall sick, okay, then we go to doctor. Doctor suggests us to go for the blood test, and some other tests are given. The same way, even in case of soil also, some tests are to be done to check up, to confirm that what type of ingredients are present in the soil and in what proportion they are present, then whether the soil is suitable for the cultivation of crops or not. For this purpose, soil testing is very important. As like our blood checkup or blood testing, the sugar testing is also very important. Okay. During soil testing, what is done? What things are checked? Then during soil testing, the color of the soil, texture of the soil, and proportion of organic matter. The third point is very important, proportion of organic matter. All these 3 points are checked in the soil, it is tested, and accordingly the suggestions are given by those people. We go for the next paragraph. The soil sample collected for testing is dried in an open space in the shade for 8 to 10 days. It is then sifted through a sieve. Two tests, namely the pH and the electrical conductivity test, are particularly useful in finding out the characteristics of soil. You can determine the fertility of the soil in your fields with the help of different tests. Okay. How the soil sample is taken? First, the soil is collected from the farm. Okay, it is dried in the open space. Usko सुखाया जाता है for 8 to 10 days. Then it is sifted. Sifting we have learned in science. Sifting means सारणी. Through a sieve. Sieve means सारणी. Okay, तो उससे थोड़ा सा उसका sifting किया जाता है. Then it is taken to the laboratory. There are mainly two tests are taken. Which test? First one is pH test and second one is electrical conductivity test. Okay, and from these two tests, mostly the inferences from that are taken out, and then we are given the report. Okay, your right side, what is here? The Danish scientist Sorensen put forth the concept of pH based on the concentration of hydrogen ions. To determine the pH of soil, a mixture of water and the soil in the proportion of 1:2 is taken and tested using several indicators. Accordingly, soil may be found to be one of the following. Okay. For the checking of the pH of the soil, what is done? Water and soil is taken in the proportion of 1:2. Pani 1 and soil in the proportion of 2 parts. Okay, in 1:2 parts, soil and water is taken, and then the testing is done with the help of several indicators. Indicators means, for understanding, you can say that some chemicals are used. Okay, now then from that some 3 results are either any one of the result from the 3 is given. Okay, what can be the result? Suppose acidic soil, अगर वो बोलते हैं soil acidic है, then उसका pH कितना होता है? pH less than 6.5. अगर soil का pH 6.5 से कम है, then the soil is called acidic soil. If the pH of the soil is 6.5 to 7.5, then it is said that soil is neutral, then that is suitable for cultivation. If the pH of the soil is higher than 7.5, then the soil is said to be alkaline. Okay, this is one of the tests. The next point is causes of diminished soil fertility. यानी diminished means कम होना, decreasing. Okay, क्या डिक्रीज हो रहा है? सॉइल फर्टिलिटी। सॉइल फर्टिलिटी क्यों डिक्रीज हो रही है? उसके कॉजेस, कॉजेस मींस कारणे, रीजंस फॉर डिफिनिशिंग द सॉइल फर्टिलिटी। आजकल सॉइल से इतना ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन मिलता नहीं है, प्रोड्यूस मिलता नहीं है क्रॉप्स का। व्हाई इट इज? बिकॉज ओनली ड्यू टू द डिक्रीज इन द सॉइल फर्टिलिटी एंड दोस कॉजेस वी आर सीइंग, उसके रीजंस देखने वाले हैं। तो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट रीजन? सॉइल पीएच इज लेस देन 6 और हायर देन 8। या तो सॉइल का पीएच 6 से कम होता है, नहीं तो 8 से, either it is more than 8, means either the soil is acidic or the soil is alkaline. Okay, so that is the biggest reason of the infertility of the soil. Then low proportion of organic matter. ऑर्गेनिक मैटर होते ही नहीं है सॉइल में, नहीं तो अगर होते हैं तो बहुत कम होते हैं। दैट इज द सेकेंड रीजन। थर्ड रीजन इज नो प्रॉपर ड्रेनेज ऑफ वाटर। जमीन में अगर पानी अंदर जाता है तो पानी ड्रेन होने के लिए चांस ही नहीं है, जमीन के अंदर ही रहता है। बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द रूट्स ऑफ द क्रॉप्स डू नॉट गेट सफिशिएंट एयर। दैट इज द थर्ड रीजन। फोर्थ रीजन इज रिपीटेड कल्टीवेशन ऑफ द सेम क्रॉप। एक ही क्रॉप बार बार लेते हैं एवरी ईयर, ओके, और आफ्टर 2 years continuously repeatedly it is taken, the same crops are taken. That is the one more reason. Next reason is continuous use of saline water. Saline means the water in which more salts are present, khara pani. Okay, so continuous use of the saline water is also one of the reason of decreasing of the soil fertility. Sixth point is excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Excessive यानी प्रमाणापेक्षा जास्त यूज किसका? केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स, रासायनिक खत, यूरिया, डीएपी, सुफला, समथिंग, ऑल दीज आर कॉल्ड केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स। एंड पेस्टिसाइड्स यानी ये पेस्ट्स को मारने वाले जो लिक्विड जो मिलते हैं कृषि सेवा केंद्र में, ओके, उनको बोलते हैं पेस्टिसाइड्स। ओके, तो ये पेस्टिसाइड्स का ज्यादा यूज, केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स का ज्यादा यूज, ओके, ऑल दीज आर अफेक्टिंग द fertility of the soil. Here right side what is given? Always remember, soil texture is disturbed if chemical fertilizers are used excessively and that land becomes unsuitable for sowing. Crop should be rotated in order to maintain the fertility of the land. Okay, so to maintain the fertility of the soil, what should be done? क्या क्या करना चाहिए? कि less use of the chemical fertilizers. Okay, second one is rotation of the crops. Crops का rotation होना चाहिए. Okay, for example, the fertility of land decreases after the harvesting of wheat. Hence, leguminous crops like peanut. Peanut means bhuimuk, moog, you know it. Moth beans, mut. Pea, watana. Lentils. Lentils यानी मसूर. Bengal gram, harbara. Soybean, you know it. Should be cultivated to restore the fertility of the soil. Okay, agar soil ki fertility, when the crop of the wheat is taken, then after crop of the wheat, then the crop of leguminous crops. Leguminous crops का मतलब क्या है? The crops or the plants which gives out legumes. Legumes means pods. Pods means शेंगा. Okay, जिनको शेंगा आती है। ओके, कैसे? पीनट, ओके, भुईमुग है, मूंग है, मोठ है, वटाना है, मसूर है, हरभरा है, सोयाबीन है। ओके, ऑल दीज आर कॉल्ड एज लेग्यूमिनस क्रॉप्स। तो ऐसे क्रॉप्स का कल्टीवेशन होना चाहिए। उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी मेंटेन होती है। ओके, वन मोर पॉइंट इज गिवन, वर्ल्ड सॉइल डे. Every year on 5th of December, World Soil Day, to remember that everyone should remember the importance of the soil and also to learn how to conserve the soil, to make more effects for conservation of soil. Soil का conservation करना है. Before this I have explained the meaning of conservation. Conservation जतन करने, संरक्षण करने. Okay, here the lesson ends. After this exercise is there, you have to go through all the questions, solve the exercise. Okay, Then I will come afterwards with the new video of lesson number 4.